Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So before we get started, I just want to mention that I am on vacation next week, so my next YouTube videos will not be out until after today. My next videos will not be until October 7th. So I will still be trading for Sora, and I definitely will still be giving signals to all my members. So if anybody is interested in that, definitely check out my website. So anyways, I mean, on Gold Monthly, it's very obvious that this is a 1, 2, 3 to me. At some point, we are going to have to pull back and make a big correction for the wave 4 and then another push up for a wave 5. Unfortunately, there's still no real evidence that the wave 3 is over yet. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. This whole move up is all a wave 3. And I have it labeled as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the fact that the wave 5 is actually the same size or bigger than the wave 3 tells me that it probably is going to have to make a 4 and a 5 just to finish off the wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we got our Fibonacci extension on there. We're looking for like a break of trend at a Fibonacci level, which we definitely do not have yet. So the trend is for sure still up as of right now. So I definitely still would primarily be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4-hour time frame, we do have a little bit of a move to the downside, but this move down definitely looks pretty corrective. Probably a good chance that that move down is a correction to this last move up, and we probably are going to at least go up to this 123.6 right around the 26.9 area before we actually do make a bigger move down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up. So if the market does continue to push up, then most likely it would make 3 waves down to one of these Fibonacci levels, maybe something like this. Then it would break to the upside, give you a nice engulfing move to the upside. So if you do see these 3 waves down, if you do see a Fibonacci bounce, then that definitely would be another long opportunity for me. The trend is definitely still up, and the trend is definitely still your friend. I'm looking at the 26.9, maybe $2,700 area for a possible turning point. But if the market really does decide to just go down and break structure, then after the break of structure, after it pulls back, you could definitely start looking for sells if it does decide to do that. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.